Only I can possibly back it again with another video. Don't pay attention to the mess in the back. This video is very impulsive and impromptu, but first make sure you subscribe. I'll give you a second. Follow my Instagram. I'll give you a second. Okay, so I decided randomly to, I hope this is not crooked. Hold on, y'all. Okay, that's better. I decided randomly to curl my ends. I already started. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Like I stated in one of my videos, I think the last one, that everybody's curly, this one's already kind of curly. Everybody's curly ends are going to look different because, you know, it all depends on your hair type. This hurts my roots. Yeah, all depends on your hair type. So I'm gonna try to keep them curly and maintain them. I don't know how it's gonna go. I mean, I spray my hair with rose water every day anyway, but I feel like maybe once a week. I'm kind of using this Shea Moisture curling enhancing smoothie. Putting it at the end. I don't want to put too much because you don't want buildup in your actual locks. This is very impulsive because I am not going to do all 80 of my locks tonight. That'd be a very bad idea. I have work early in the morning. So yeah, I just have to hop on here and show you guys that this is what my crazy self is doing at 10:30 p.m. on a Sunday. Just like I dyed my hair late on a Sunday. Yeah, just kind of what I do is do random impulsive things because why not? So I don't know, which one did I just do? This one. Why am I doing this? I mean, it won't be hard to let it just lock up if I really am regretting this decision. So we'll see how long this lasts. We will see. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. See, I miss my curls enough to do this, but not enough to take my locks out. No. So far, this is how much I have. So that's not a lot at all. I think because I am not far into my lock journey. I mean, 9 months. It's not too much. So I will be back whenever I finish this. Oh, Jesus. Whenever I finish this, I don't know if it will be tonight. I don't know if it will be tomorrow. I don't know if it'll be Tuesday. I don't know. I don't know. So, yeah. We will see. I'll show you guys whenever the finished results come. It'll probably be in next week's video because I already have something else coming out Wednesday. So yeah. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so my hair is done. I ended up doing all of it. I'm a liar. I am a liar. I ended up doing all of it. They don't look fresh because it's been a week. I mean, you still kind of see them, and I'm still able to comb through them, but you can really see up here, look. So it did not take that long actually, but I love the way they look. Like, this is really how, I don't know, my hair was starting to look before it like officially started to lock, so it's not that big of a difference. But these little curlies up here, I love them so much. So yeah, I'm very happy I did it, and I will be doing a little maintenance routine when that time comes, probably like next week. But yes, I love my little curls. They haven't been dry yet because I spray my hair with rose water every day. But yeah, ignore the mess on my bed, y'all. Life has been beating my ass. Like, this 2-job life and trying to YouTube and trying to create content is not for the weak. Like, it's so hard. Like, that's why I need y'all to subscribe to my channel so I can do one thing, you know? But yeah, this is the finished look. My hair is so curly and so pretty. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? It's your favorite Loc girly here. It's your favorite final woman here, period. I will see y'all in the next video. Like I said, y'all, your girl is tired. I did not realize that the video was half cutting off my head. So this is another look of my curly locks. I love it. I am obsessed. It's so freaking cute. So make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe for more content, okay?